So I just thought I'd do a short little video on my Starlink Mini, which I usually use when I go away on camping trips. Gives me full communications, mobile phone usage. I can upload, download, internet, everything. At the moment it's sitting here on my back table, plugged into the wall. What I did buy for it was this black plastic cover, which when it's mounted on my roof rack, which I'll show you a bit later on, just protects it from tree branches and things scraping across the roof, which happens quite often. So I'll show you how my Starlink Mini is actually mounted onto my car, if I can crawl up onto my back tyre without falling off. This is the mount. This is the cable with the protective cap that I use to keep the cable clean and dry. So the actual unit mounts onto this triangular structure. You have to take the little stand out of the actual the mini box for it to clip onto that, and these two side brackets hold it down really tight. So I'll give you a demo on how to mount it. Okay, we'll see if this works out okay. Pop the cap off, put it in my pocket so I don't lose it, which I probably will anyway, but anyways. Get your Mini ready, plug it in. Take up the slack a bit. Clip that onto the triangular structure. Side brackets ready. Note that I have not put the black case on yet, protective case. And that's basically it. Solid as a rock, doesn't go anywhere. All I need to do now is plug it into my power station and it's ready to go. So I have shown this new power station that I'm trying out before. The USB cable from my Starlink is passed through. There's a loom coming through from the original car loom, so it's watertight. This comes through there, plugs straight into my power station. There we go. Actually remembered to turn the USB bank on, so that's now drawing 35ish watts while it's booting up. I think once it actually has booted up, it settles down to around 18-20. And when I'm away on a trip, that stays on 24/7. So not sure how this is going to video, but I will try and show you how the app actually works. The Starlink's now in the process of booting up. So it wants me to connect to the Wi-Fi, which is the Starlink. Should pop up in my Wi-Fi shortly when it eventually boots up, which is usually fairly quick. It is. There we go. It's now hooked up. Close the Wi-Fi, open the app again. It'll connect and bang, it's online. Sometimes if you haven't run it for a while, it will download some updates, which usually takes you around 5 or 10 minutes. But that's it. That's the process. It's quick, painless. Now that it's booted up, it's drawing, say, 19 to 25 watts continuous, which is why I bought the bigger power station, so I can run this 24/7. I quite often wake up in the middle of the night, so it gives me the luxury of being able to jump on the net and watch something and nod off back to sleep again, which is really good when you're away somewhere remote and very quiet, nothing to do. So yeah, I think it's really awesome. That's it. Bye bye.